everyone, with me again Stephen Trenggono. For today, we'll try an experiment about polarity and solubility. Thank you, Ms. Ote, for giving me this chance to make this project. And I think this experiment is really interesting. Let's give it a try. So the purpose of this project is to analyze which solvent the solute is most or least soluble. Okay, come on, let's give it a try. So here are the materials we need for this experiment. For the solute, we have sodium chloride, sugar, and the effervescence tablet. And for the solvent, we have distilled water, cooking oil, and the ethanol. And don't forget the spoon to stir things up. For the first round, I will use water as my first solvent. So let's take 1/4 of sodium chloride, the first water. Let's take 1/4 of sugar also, the second water. And let's take 1/4 of effervescence. Let's stir it for 1 minute. Time is up. How about we try using ethanol? Let's do the same experiment using the ethanol substance. Let's go. One minute starts from now. Okay, so here's are the solution. Let's change with cooking oil. One minute start from now. Here are the result. So there is no solute, they are soluble in the oil because oil is a non-polar substance. Hi guys, it's nice to see you all. Before we end this video, please leave a like, comment, and hit the red subscribe button. And I'm eager to see you next time in the next video. God bless you.